Welcome back to my channel, Mission Mathematics. I am Sushma. Today we are going to learn quadratic equation multiple choice question, session 3. Before that I done session 1 and session 2. I hope you people like these videos. If you have anything doubt, please comment it below, and like this more videos you need me, please subscribe to my channel. First one, two consecutive positive integers differ by. Options we have 2, 1, 3, 4. Here they said we have a consecutive positive integers. That's also we have a two consecutive and it will differ by. That means how much difference it is having. So we know that what is a consecutive integer means it's a x comma x plus 1 comma x plus 2. That means one more than another one more than another one. That's adding and going. For example, you can take here 1, 2, 3, 4 also. And in this, what is the difference we are getting? 1 only. So that means option B, 1 is a correct answer. If both the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 are. Options we have b square is equals to 4ac, b square is less than 4ac, b square is greater than 4ac, and both a and c. Here they said we need to find out which are the two forms we will get a roots. So that means you need to see for the nature of a roots. Nature of a roots we have b square is equals to 4ac. That means 1 is a possible roots we will get. B square is greater than 4ac, we can get the roots. But b square is less than 4ac means it's not possible because we'll get a negative means it's not possible to get a two roots. So therefore we will check with these two conditions. So since the roots are positive means d is greater than 0 or d is equal to 0, any condition is possible. So therefore b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 because discriminant formula is b square minus 4ac. And here we will substitute it and we will get b square is greater than 4ac and b square is equals to 4ac. That means both the conditions are possible. So therefore option D, both A and C are correct one. Third one, find natural numbers whose squares diminished by 84 is thrice the 8 more than the given number. Options we have 11, 12, 21, 30. Here they said the squares diminished by, that means the square of the number is decrease, that means minus by 84. We need to subtract that one with the 84, and what we will get that one answer is need to be equal to the that number is added to 8, and by that what we will get thrice the number, so that is the answer one. So let's we check how we will get this one. I'll check with the options. Option 1, what we have 11. So what is the square of 11? 11 square is a 121. So then 121 we need to subtract with the 84 because diminished they said. That means decrease. That's a minus 84. We will get 837. And we need to check another one condition, that is what? The given number 8 more than means plus 8. That is equals to how much you'll get? 19. So then it need to be a thrice. That means 19 into 3 how much you'll get? 57. Is it we are getting 37 and 57 equal? No. So therefore we can say 37 is not equal to 57. Therefore option 1 is not correct. Let's we check option 2. So same method we will follow. 12 square is equals to how much? 144. Then 144 we need to diminish. Subtract by 84 how much you'll get? 60. Other condition we have 12 we need to add with the 8 because it's a more than. Therefore 12 plus 8 we will get 20. Then 20 it is a thrice of this one means 120 multiplied with 3 we will get a 60. Is it we are getting equal? Yes, we are getting equal. So therefore we can say option 12 is a correct one. Don't get confused, just that you need to follow the steps and you will get the correct answer. 1. The formula to find the discriminant of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Options we have b square into 4ac, b square minus 4c, b square minus 4ac, b square plus 4ac. So which is the correct answer? Option C, b square minus 4ac is a correct answer for the discriminant of equation. Fifth one, a train travels at a certain average speed of a distance of 63 km and then travels a distance of 72 km at an average speed of 6 km per hour more than its original speed. If it takes 3 hours to complete the total journey, what is its original average speed? Options we have 42 km per hour, 44 km per hour, 46 km per hour, 48 km per hour. In an exam, they will give this question as a 4 marks, otherwise 3 marks question. So here no need to take that much strength. So you can easily find the answer. So here what they gave a two distances. What is that? That is one is a 63 km and 72 km.
So we will add that both. How much we'll get? By adding 63 km with 72, we will get 135. That means by what and all steps they said, by following also we need to get 135 only. So then the answer is correct one. So we'll return the total distance how much we have, and we need to get that much answer. So let's check with the options. What we have? Option 1. Option 1 we have 42 km per hour. And here they said average speed how much they maintain for each one. That is 6 km per hour they manage. So that means 42 plus 6 how much we'll get? 48. Now we will find out average for this both. So 42 plus 48 divided by average means what? How many we are adding? 2. Therefore divided by 2. By adding this one we'll get 90 by 2. By dividing we'll get 48 km per hour. And here they said 3 hours to complete the total journey. That means totally 3 hours. We need to multiply 45 with the 3. So then how much we'll get? 135 km per hour. So therefore we can say option A, 42 km per hour is a correct answer. Here we have a first option only. So instead of first option, if you have the fourth option is correct one, means same like this procedures only you need to follow. Here no need to get confused. Here we have a first option only correct one, so that's why I stopping here. You want means you can further check with other options also, but same methods only you can follow. Next one, Renu scored 10 more marks in a mathematics test out of 30 marks. 9 times these marks would have been the square of her actual marks. How many marks did she get in the test? Options we have 15 marks, 10 marks, 12 marks, 20 marks. Here they said she scored 10 more marks. That means you need to remember more means it's an addition of this, means we need to add. And here they gave 9 times. That means we need to multiply that one with a 9. So like that you need to remember this one. Less than means it's a subtraction. So this is a small clues you need to remember. And here they said 10 more marks in a mathematics test out of 30 marks. That means each paper has a 30 marks. In that 30 marks, she got 10 more marks in a maths paper compared to other papers. 9 times of these marks would have been square of her actual marks. That means it's a square of this actual marks. What they gave options in that any one number square is its actual answer. So we need to find out what is the actual marks of our test. So first one, I'll take option 1. What we have? 15. So 15 square how much we'll get? 225. That means by following this methods also we need to get 225. Then only it's a correct one. So what they said, we need to add 10 for this because 10 more they said. So 15 plus 10 how much we'll get? 25. And we need to multiply with the 9 because 9 times they get. So therefore 9 into 25 how much we'll get? 225. So therefore we can say option A, 15 marks is a correct one. If you're not getting option A as a correct one, we can go with the 10. 1. The roots of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 6x equals to 0 are. Options we have 0, 2, 3, 6, 3 roots, 4 roots. Here they said we need to find out roots, which are all roots. What they gave equation 3x square minus 6x. So I'll write down that 3x square minus 6x equals to 0. In this both what we can take common, because you can see x in both sides also, I'll take x as a common. And 6 and 3 both also divide by 3, so therefore I'll take 3x as a common. So then if I take a 3x as a common, means what is left over here? We have a 3x square. That means 2 x's are there. So only 1 x is left over. So minus 3. How much is 6? 3 2s are, because x is out. We will get 3x into x minus 2 is equals to 0. Now I'll take separate terms. Then I'll get 3x is equals to 0. If we divide 0 by 3 also, we'll get 0 only. So therefore x is equals to 0. Other one we have x minus 2 is equals to 0. If I take on 2 that side, it will become plus 2. Therefore x is equals to 2. Answer A, 0, 2 is a correct one. The product of two successive multiples of 5 is 300. Then the numbers are options we have 25, 30, 10, 15, 30, 35, 15, 20. Here they said the product of two successive multiples. That means successive multiple means continuous multiples of 5. And here what is the continuous multiples of 5? That is 5, 10, 15, 20, etc. It's multiples of 5. That means you can see 5 to 10. That is the two numbers. If you take on 10 to 15 means that two numbers. That means continuous numbers back to back we are getting. So therefore we can say it's a successive multiples of 5. And here you can see options are the same like that only. Here you have 25 means next number what will come? 30 because it's a multiple of 5. Next we have option B also 10, 15 because after 10 we will get 15 only, we will not get 20. So therefore that is all in the form of successive multiples. And here we need to check the product of these two numbers need to be 300. So first one you can see 25 into 30 by multiplying this one will not get 300. So therefore option A is not correct one. Option B also by multiplying will not get 300. So therefore option B also not correct. Option C also will not get because 30 into 35 it's not a 300. Option D you can see you have a 15 into 20 by multiplying this one will get 300. So therefore answer option D 15, 20 is a correct answer. Ninth one, the quadratic equation has only options we have 1 roots, 2 roots, 3 roots, 4 roots. We will get for the quadratic equation we will get only 2 options, that is 2 roots. So therefore answer B 2 roots is a correct one. 10th one, the value of discriminant of the quadratic equations 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0 is. Options we have 1, 49, 0, minus 17. Here in the equation we have A, B, C value. We will take it. A is equals to 2, B is equals to minus 5, C is equals to 3. Here they said we need to find out discriminant. So what is the formula for discriminant? D is equals to B square minus 4AC. Now we will substitute all the values. We will get minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. What is the 5 square? It's a 25. Minus into minus plus. We will get 25 minus 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. Therefore, we will get minus 24. By subtracting 25 minus 24, we will get 1. So therefore, option A, 1 is a correct answer. Try to practice more problems like this and take a different values and try it yourself. If you like these videos, please share with your friends. To get more notification, please press the bell icon. If you have any doubt, please comment it below and